The Bitcoin market initially rallied on Tuesday but gave back gains above the $30,000 level. This is not good look, and I suggest that Bitcoin market is going to continue to struggle. With this, I think it's probably only a matter of time before we reach lower levels and looking to break down to $25 level. Bitcoin is getting hammered as all risk appetite assets here. Because of this, the market is likely to continue seeing short-term rallies being sold into, as the market has shown quite a bit of hesitation to go far out into the risk spectrum. Even if we're to break above the top of the several candlesticks, the $35,000 level would be a potential target, but really I think at this point it's almost impossible to imagine that scenario, as there will not be enough in the way of momentum to make that happen anytime soon. In order for the Bitcoin market to take off for a bigger move, we could need to see the US dollar calm down. The US dollar is without a doubt the favorite currency of traders around the world, and I think that will continue to be the case going forward. The market has too many things working against them to think that we are going to get bullish anytime soon. Even if you are the bullish for the longer term, I believe you have quite a bit of time before you have get aggressive to upside. Okay, that's all I have to say today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future Bitcoin and stock market prediction. See you next time.